Happy Sunday, welcome back to One Only. We're at the Florida State Fair. Hope you're enjoying your umbrella there, man. Are you taking care of her, buddy? You protecting her? All right. Good job. Protecting all the other ladies too? Good. Good answer. Good answer. Just keep on nodding your head. Here's a song called Wagon Wheel. It goes like this.
North Carolina, still broke, running out I see headlights. Close to 17 hours, be a bouquet of dog flowers on my head in the ride. See my baby tonight. Rock me, mama, like a wagon wheel. Rock me, mama, any way you feel. Hey, hey, mama, rock me, come on. Rock me, love me through the and the rain, rock me, mama, like Southbound train. Hey, hey, mama, rock me, come on. Okay, didn't sail down in New England. I was born to be a fiddler, small town street. Play the bass and guitar, pick the banjo now. But I ain't turning back to living that old life no more. Like a wagon wheel.
Where you going? I never left when you showed up. Hey, don't laugh at her, man. Are you laughing with her or at her? Here's your lesson in life. Always laugh with them, never at them. Yeah.
Rock me, mama, like a wagon wheel. Rock me, mama, any way you feel. Hey, hey, all right, come on. Something coming together, come Central City, Tennessee. Oh, I can't get a move on, be on the show. Hear my baby kind of mind, and they know that she's the only one that got the down right. This time, I will down free, come on. Rock me, mama, like a wagon wheel. Rock me, mama, any way you feel. Hey, hey, mama, rock me, come on, rock me.